Welcome to day 5 of the BioCoherence onboarding process. Today, we want to take you through two very important features. The first is to actually show you how to monitor your progress and track your progress while you're using the system. And the second is how you can talk to and interact with our range of AI helpers.
Which are amazing. It's a very fun way to interact with your results.
So I am going to share Jane Doe's exploration again. And from the screen, we have now looked at the conclusions, we have looked at the detailed analysis, we have shown you how to rebalance, and now we're going to show you how to track your progress. So you click on progress here, and as you can see, Jane has done 2 scans. So this is the first scan, this is the second scan, and this can be as many as 20 scans over the course of the 21 days or over the course of a lifetime of using the product. But if we go in and expand the screen here, Medrick, can you explain this, please?
Yeah, sure. In this screen, you will see your first recording, so the initial evaluation, and you will see here one reevaluation. So our advice is to do one reevaluation per week. But another way to do it, for instance, here, you see there is 40 minutes between the 2 recordings. It could be before and after one specific healing modality that you apply. Yeah. So it could be, for instance, the beginning and the end of a session with a pro, or it could be before and after doing some specific thing like, I don't know, yoga, sport, or anything. And you will see your curves. And these curves are very interesting because every red curve means that the integral coherence score is lower than at the beginning, and every green curve means that the integral coherence score of this particular biomarker is higher than the beginning. So you can see that every system is moving not so much because it's very consistent usually between recordings, but moving nonetheless, and it gives us information on how your system is actually reacting to the different healing modalities that you are practicing.
Very good. So it's basically like a live view into how your body is performing and adapting to frequencies that are being delivered. And when you engage in the 21-day program, you will basically see the progress here. The second thing we want to show you is our range of AI helpers.
Yes.
So you can basically go and basically understand all of the information in the report yourself. You can go and contact a professional to help you as well, or you can use the AI helpers. So in this case, we have a range of AI helpers. So it's basically like going into a doctor's office and you have a choice of which doctor you want to talk to. So in this case, we're going to say, for example, digestive health. So we're going to talk to Ure AI.
Okay, so each AI will receive a subset of your biomarkers because we cannot send 1,500 biomarkers to the AI. It wouldn't understand it. It would be just too overwhelming. So we had to create some specialists, and each of these specialists will receive the pertinent subset of your biomarkers, list items, maybe some stimuli, what are in your priorities, what are your resources, and so on. So you see, it's just analyzing your personal data and working to write a specific conclusion for you.
And we actually give you the correct questions to ask as well, or you can ask your own question. But so in response to the question, can you give me your expert view on my analysis? Our AI has basically read your report, has read all of your priorities and all of your resources, and this is exactly the advice that it gives back. So you can now follow that advice. In this case, it is suggesting that we add to the harmonic boosts. So we have seen the harmonic boost on one of the previous days, which is basically the set of sound frequencies that can be delivered to you. Our AI now is suggesting that we basically add to it. So we're going to choose yes, please add to it. And it's now going to add.
So you can write your own questions, or you can take one of the suggestions. It's like using ChatGPT or anything else. But as you can see, it has this added benefit to be able to read and to write into your exploration. So for instance, right now, it has added some harmonic boosts to your priorities, and you can jump straight to your personal guide if you want, or you can just continue asking some questions, for instance, to the AI helper about a particular biomarker of your choosing. So you can actually send a biomarker detail to the AI helper and ask them some questions. If you click on the lower left plus, here you can just go to chakras, for instance. No, it's the digestive one. Well, okay, let's take a chakra anyway. So take any one, click on it, and you see it has been added to your program. And so what is your expert view on these programs? Just shoot the question. And so it's sending the complete biomarker detail to the AI helper. And with his knowledge and his particular skill set and the knowledge of your recording, it will just tell you how your biomarker is in your recording and maybe suggest some specific actions. So you see, it's a very fun way to interact with your results, and you can ask a lot of questions and get a lot of really interesting advices.
And then you can also then move from your conversation about your digestive health to a neurologist. You can ask questions to the neurologist based on the scan that we have.
And he will receive a different subset of your results. And so analyze things on a different angle, exactly if you were going to see another specialist.
Please advise on best sleep routine for me based on
Okay, so what's happening here is that you ask a specific question, but the sleep coach will receive a subset of your biomarkers that are related to everything related to sleep. And so he will be able to give you some specific advice that is really tied to your own system and your own way of doing things internally, your emotions, your organs, your energy, etc., etc. So this advice is not generic advice like you would get with ChatGPT or anything else. It's really advice that is tied to your specific biomarkers. Yes.
And then I have the option going, please add the sleep aid recipe. So yes, we would like a sleep aid recipe. Thank you very much.
And so it has access to, we have a catalog of something like 500 or 600 TCM recipes. So for those who don't know, TCM recipes are multimillennial knowledge in the traditional Chinese medicine system, where you can use some of the different acupuncture points to achieve some specific results. And so we are adding these acupuncture points into your daily meditations and your harmonic boosts so that we can stimulate these acupuncture points acoustically, in fact, with some specific audio frequencies. And it's really powerful too. So don't hesitate to ask the AI helpers to add some recipes, or to ask your pro if you are working with a pro, because your pro has also the ability to modify your results and to add some things according to their own knowledge.
Yes. So now that is the end of the onboarding process to actually take you through from the very start from unboxing your scanner to doing your first scan, to understanding the results, to rebalancing yourself, to talking to AI helpers and monitor your progress. This is just the tip of the iceberg in terms of what BioCoherence can do. If you have any more questions or if you need advice, you can contact us through the support system. If you would like us,
or maybe show the support system. It's interesting.
Oh yeah, of course, yeah. So if you have a question, you can just go and log a ticket. So help center.
So it's in two parts. You ask your question, and we will immediately show you excerpts from the documentation, the books, and all of the videos that we do, because we do a video every Thursday at 4 p.m. European time, where you can log in with us. If you want to join us, you just go to biocoherence.net and you click on live webinar, and you are welcome to join us, of course. And
Yes.
so either you find your answer with one of the video excerpts, or you just send us your a ticket. And when you send us a ticket through the app, we have all the technical data to help you if needed. So just go to the help center and shoot your question, and you will get some answers, or you will get in contact with someone to help you.
Exactly. And we can also put you in touch with one of our training specialists.
Yes, it's a very good thing because we are building a network of worldwide trainers and distributors, and we can put you in touch with them so that you can book some training with someone that is in your language and related to what you do.
And also, if you want to change your subscription, you can do it straight within the app. You can basically choose to change your plan, or you can upgrade, or you can downgrade. And you can add people to your plan. So if you want to support an entire family, you can basically upgrade to the family package. Or if you just want to continue to use it for yourself, you just use the Me Basic or the Me Pro. So that's it for the 5 days onboarding. We hope that you enjoy using the product. And if you have any questions at all, you can just basically let us know. We're here to help.
See you soon.
See you soon.